Refrigeration HVAC exam practice question set 19. Device to control water pump of ground source heat pump. Answer: pressure switch. Criteria for test pressure for field testing refrigeration components. Answer: not below design pressure, not exceed opening pressure of relief valve, and not exceed 130% of design pressure. Family of zeotrope refrigerants, fractionate and Hasclide, are 400 blends. Answer: which refrigerant has the lowest tendency to fractionate? Consistent. Answer: R134A. 5. How load is lifted when crushing is a concern? Answer: spreader bar or spreader. 6. Where is vapor barrier placed? Answer: warmest side. Condensation happen at the warm side. 7. What happens when metering device is plugged? Answer: high superheat. 8. How water flow on loss of signal? Answer: full flow through coil. 9. Chilled water flow on loss of signal. Answer: full bypass. 10. Results when water vapor is in pump impeller. Answer: cavitation. 11. Where is supply located on hot water, cold water system? Answer: on the bottom to aid air removal. 12. Location of temperature sensor on cooling tower. Answer: tower outlet. 13. Cooling coil diverting valve flow. Answer: normally close to coil, normally open to bypass. 14. How to hoist roof of top unit. Answer: center of gravity using spreaders or spreader bars. Share knowledge, help people. Remember the words of the Lord Jesus, how he said, it is more blessed to give than to receive. So link to my blog for additional information. Cheers and have a good one.